else we got? We got the AB212 SAR Helicopter. Looks a little French, if you ask me. It's not an insult. Just thought I saw the French flag, I guess. No? I don't know. That could be wrong. Rope cut, battery on. Low RPS, no shit. Engine throttle, radio, rope cut. Okay. AP computer, rotor brake, engine startup. This is what I'm kind of looking for. What we got? Backlights, cockpit cabins. Get some engine power. Get nav lights going. Rotor brake on. Rotor brake off. Okay. Give it a little tiny bit of throttle. Start up with. Crazy. Okay, APWP computer. Who needs our rescuing today? No one wants our rescuing, dude? We're gonna have to hit the dang bunk beds, dude. Oh, that's nice. You got somewhere close to sleep at? Who needs our help? Requires servicing in the ocean. Alright. My helicopter's already warming up, dude. You know what? Let's see if we can get this guy. Make sure she's gassed up. Diesel? Jet fuel? Look, I don't know. Electrical cable. Is there jets up there? Fluid hose anchor. This is longer than 40 meters. Yellow feels like diesel. How much fuel we're looking at? Hopefully it wasn't jet fuel it needed, right? We got full beans. Let's see what we can do. What we got back there? Uh-oh, we're going and I'm not in control of the damn thing. Actually, I think we may need someone with a welder. Oh, I have a welder. Where you at? Heading out there? Head out there, and we'll see. Let's hear the review of whatever vehicle you bring out. Where are we even off to? Dude, I hope it's not far. Fishing boat. Oh, okay. Hopefully you haven't crashed. You have not. Some serious altitude. This thing's medium drive. Autopilot. Let's add those ports. Pilot status. Oh fuck. $62 knots. Holy dick balls, that might take forever. I think that person who was in the yellow car, that might have been last time I played. I think I was going too ham in the off-road ambulance. And I flipped the car, and I think I killed him. So, the lesson is, don't go crazy on the off-road ambulances, I think. Fucking, you got a blowtorch on there? You going for a rescue or you want me to? Bro, what in the hell is the damn plane for then? You brought out a whole freaking 747. Slammed her in the ocean. We're gonna slow down? We are slowing down. There's autopilot, might be gas. 300 meters. Oh, don't go over it, brother. Don't go over it. Slow her down, way down, way down. Oh, dang. Look at that. Wow. Autopilot goes crazy in the marina. You dropping alti? Yup. 500 feet. Let's slow her down. Let's see where we're at. 300 feet. I do enjoy rear-facing cameras, but of course, third-person mode goes hard. I think I should be able to hold this. Altitude. Maybe. Yeah, looks like we're good. Door buttons, people, door buttons. I need to make my own StormWorks vehicle to be saying stuff. Uh-oh. Yo, that's not good, brother. Gonna have to no clip. Yeah, I probably should have gotten an operator harness and not the orange one, like a bozo. Anyways, act like it never happened. A real Coast Guardsman would know what the fuck to do. But as you can see, this is a fucking video. I definitely not cut it as a Coast Guardsman. Alright, fuck! See? Slipped right off the front of the bow. Right into the water like it blows up. This helicopter is pretty good. I would love to. I think everybody would love to see this. I got a sweet little shot right here. Like a sweet GoPro moment, like a Red Bull moment. See if you can like try to take off and like almost hit me, but don't. Oh. Let's see you take off and then you come swoop down and try to miss me. Uh-oh, here we go. Oh boy. I heard 3. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my. That's uncontrollable. What's the dang jet? What's the throttle at? Yeah, of course, brother. You didn't need to do that. I think you'll be alright at 75. You took off so fast. You gotta be fine at 50. Holy moly. You gonna come swing around? Do some crazy Red Bull moment stuff? Check the map. Left. Do that. Probably good at 50, dude, all the way around. Uh-oh. There you go. Right. Yes, there is. There must be. You're going right. Unless you just hit the water. Yep. That's fine. Keep going right a little bit. You see me? Oh, here we go. Do something crazy, buddy. No, don't crash into the water. Hit the thrust, 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. Go. That. Are we gonna see him? Oh. Dove himself right into the ocean like a dolphin, like a graceful dolphin. He came out of that water at like 50, and by golly, he was at 100% coming right back down into. I was kind of hoping you'd take me out, and I could rescue this vehicle. Be sure that there's definitely controls. Or there actually definitely probably isn't enough control. You look pretty small from over here. Now you're in the binocular. Oh, no, you ain't doing that. Oh, what? You're not anticipating none of these turns, brother. Uh-oh. 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 Oh no. Oh man. That's awesome. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm gonna get in. Yo, we're in zero gravity. We're in microgravity. Oh, I'm getting tossed around like a Jamba Juice spike here, dude. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Let me in there, bro. Let me in there. Max, get in, dude, get in. Hit that seat. Hit the seat. This is not helpful. Oh. Alright. Auto altitude. Alright. Where is your throttle? Waypoint. We're gonna get close and we're gonna absolutely ram it. So check it. Turn down. What's our throttle at? Give me like 50. Sweet. Can you see my altitude right now? Check this. We're gonna go crazy. 50? Perfect. It's fine. Now we're riding solid. Yo, give me all of it. I got it. We destroyed the whole plane. Did you give it full throttle? We were going so fast. All right. I'm gonna wrap up video 1 by doing that.